Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can clear browsing data on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. If you use Google Chrome as your browser, then you can open Google Chrome, and then over here in the top right corner you want to tap on these three dots and then go to delete browsing data. By doing so you can remove whatever you want. You can also choose if you want to delete browsing data for the last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days or 4 weeks, or even all time. And then you can also go to more options in order to decide what you actually want to do. So over here we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, cached files and images. You can also remove saved passwords, autofill, form data, and site settings. And of course over here once again we can choose the time range. Once you are sure what you want to remove, then you can press delete data, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna show you what to do in the case of Opera. So let's open Opera, tap on your avatar in the bottom right corner, and then press this setting icon over here. Now over here scroll down and go to privacy and security, and then scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should find clear data. You can select this option, select what you want to remove. You can also go to advanced in order to find even more stuff, and then you can select them and press clear data. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!